Centuries ago, sailors that discovered the Great Lakes called them the Sweetwater Seas because they contained drinkable water. Currently, the Great Lakes aren't known for this pristine water condition, but instead are cited to be polluted and above recommended safety levels. In fact, the Great Lakes system spreads across more than 94,250 square miles, but many parts of the lakes are in jeopardy of becoming completely inaccessible. Throughout the years, the Great Lakes have been subject to waterborne contamination through many substances, and this has led to repercussions such as communities being poisoned and ecosystems being damaged. Due to these consequences, the government and local communities have created programs and laws to diminish the pollution in hopes that the water will once again be safe. Contamination levels in the Great Lakes are on the rise due to waterborne chemicals and substances that seep into the lake's waterways. The culprits of these pollutants are usually stone mills and waste plants. These sites are mainly responsible for the current day pollution in the Great Lakes, and even with efforts being made to reduce this type of conduct, it was reported that 20 cities in the United States and Canada allowed 92 billion gallons of untreated sewage and stormwater to course into the lakes. Due to these actions, many of the lakes have become unsafe to swim in or generally be around. In addition, many new pollutants have been recorded in the lakes, such as pesticides and fertilizers. These types of pollutants are proving to be a major detriment to the local ecosystems. For example, certain parts of Lake Erie are completely green due to the amount of algae bloom that has contaminated the water. With instances such as Lake Erie, it is vital that issues of waterborne contamination are regarded with much diligence. The process to heal the lakes from contamination is slow, but if methods are conducted properly, the results will prove to be successful. For example, a common method is to keep fats, oils, and greases out of the sink. Another idea is to use items such as herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizers less often. Communities can also ensure that water levels are appropriate by maintaining proper sewage treatment and by also discouraging the flushing of medications, pills, drugs, etc. In general, the most effective way to sustain a healthy water level is to abstain from dispensing harmful substances back into the water system.